Hi there, this is AJ. In my last video I looked at how to change the styling for an SBI contact form. What we didn't look at was how to change the styling for the submit button on that contact form. Now if you haven't watched that video, I strongly suggest watching it first because this is a continuation. So let's get started. The first thing I want to do is find out the exact name of the submit button so I know what to target in the CSS. I'm using a PC laptop with the Chrome browser, which enables me to right click on this and choose inspect. Now we can see the line in the source code which for the input button, and over here in the styles I can see the name of what I'm looking for. So here it is, input type equals submit. So I'm now going to go to my block builder page, open up the head section, and in my style tags I'm going to make a bit of room and paste that in. Now this I, if you don't see it, it doesn't matter, we don't need it anyway, it's something to do with Chrome. Now what I also want to do is put .contact dash form space, because otherwise we would be targeting every button that has this type of submit, so we only want to target buttons that are in this actual form. So next thing is a pair of curly braces, and I'm going to put my first style rule in, which is background, and I will make it yellow. All the CSS that you need for this will be in the description of the video, so you don't have to type this out as we go along. I'll add that to the head, and I'm going to quickly preview the page just to make sure that we are targeting the right thing. And there we go, the background has changed to yellow. So I can write the rest of my CSS now. I think what we want to do is increase the padding, so I'm going to put padding, and I'm going to make it 20 pixels. That's for 4 sides. I want font weight to be heavier, so I shall make that bold, and I want border none because I don't like that grey border that they use. And then I'm going to use border radius and 3 pixels just to round off the edges a little bit. So let's add that to the head and just check. Oops, I accidentally used a semicolon instead of a colon here, and we'll preview that. There we go, that's looking pretty good. I think I want bigger text though, so let's go in and go to the head section, and we will go font size, and let's make it 17 pixels or perhaps 18 pixels. And the last thing is I might make it full width, so we will go width 100%, and we need the word important here to overwrite some other style rules. So let's just check that. There we go, we have a decent size submit button. The one thing I haven't put is the cursor, so let's just add that quickly. I'll go back and add that, is cursor, pointer. Now we should see the cursor change to a hand icon when we hover over. Okay, I think that's about it. If you found this video to be useful for you, then please do think about giving me a like and maybe subscribing to the channel. That way you'll get notified of future videos as I post them. Thanks for watching.